On behalf of Domus Group team, it is our honor to welcome you to Dubai Heliconference 2023.
Hi everyone, my name is Yahya. Welcome to Heliconference.
We are honored and pleased to be here at the Dubai Heliconference.
This is my first time at Dubai Heliconference. The panels, the talks so far have been quite interesting.
Focus on innovation, on various sort of services and products and investments to get aviation to the next standard is absolutely incredible.